In this video we visit the island of Yell, where we find a lovely cozy little beach, and afterwards we hike along the coastline up until a peninsula with dramatic and beautiful coastlines, ideal for taking some drone footage. We even meet some new friends towards the end. Stay tuned. Welcome everyone to my Shetland series, where we attempt to explore Shetland without a car, and today we are going to travel to the northern part of Yell Island, and for that we will be taking two bus lines and a ferry line. We start from Lerwick, where we take bus line 23 all the way up to Toft, where we take the ferry to the island, and from there we take another bus that takes us all the way to Cullivoe. And that is where our hike begins today. Right there at the beginning of our hike we come across the sands of Breckon, a lovely and cozy and quiet beach, ideal for a quick snack or breakfast. After leaving the sands of Breckon, all we have to do is just hug the coastline and follow the path all the way up to the peninsula. Here we finally reached our destination, the highlight of our trip, a peninsula called Gloup Ness, where we decided to take a break and record some drone footage. There are a couple of options on how to proceed from here. We simply decided to explore Gloup village a bit and then head back to the sands of Breckon and have a rest there. If you are feeling adventurous, you can extend the whole hike with a 4-kilometer long circular hike that starts from this village here. I link to this hike in the description below.